Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to hack Critical Ops and get a lot of free credits. Enter pandagames.org to your browser, click Game Hacks in the drop-down menu, and it will take you to our hack tool. Once you're there, search for Critical Ops, type in your in-game username and click Let's Go button. This will ignite credits injection to your account. In order to finish it, you will need to complete offer from the list. This process is here, so we can be sure that credits are going to you and you only. Just follow unlock instructions, and when it's done restart your game. As you can see, after I restarted the game, credits are filling up, which means that this method works perfectly. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have some questions, leave comment below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, goodbye.